Hello and welcome to a video introduction of GasBot's new giveaway feature. The giveaway command was designed to give users and projects a fun way to distribute rewards and promote server engagement. The giveaway command builds on a new primitive recently introduced internally in GasBot called token pools. As the name implies, these are temporary, user-controlled holding accounts for tokens with configurable distribution rules. We have a lot of ideas on how to use these pools in future, with giveaway being the first one to be implemented so far. Giveaways are created using the /giveaway create command. If you've ever used the /send command, you'll be familiar with the prompt, which gives you a chance to fill in some additional details. So the amount of tokens to send to each giveaway winner, how many winners there should be, and the percentage probability of a user actually winning the giveaway when they try and hit claim. For this demo, I'm going to set up a giveaway to reward 10 tokens to one winner with a 50-50 win chance, so 50%. By default, this would set up a giveaway with the gas token in the current channel, although optionally you can add the ticker field just like you would in the send command in order to specify another supported NEP-17 token as the giveaway reward. I'll use NEP this time. GasBot will now check that the user has a sufficient quantity of tokens in order to set up the pool. You'll need enough tokens for all reward payouts, so 10 NEP total in my case, plus additional gas to cover all the various transaction fees that are going to be incurred by the pool when it's making payouts and the final closing transfer. After submitting the command, GasBot will open a token pool and transfer the allocated NEP-17 tokens to it from the user's GasBot account. You'll find a link to the transaction in the /giveaway create command's reply. Giveaways can be created by anyone with the appropriate permissions to do so in a server with GasBot invited. Currently, only one active giveaway can be hosted by each user regardless of which server they use. Once a giveaway has been opened, GasBot will post the event details to the channel accompanied by a claim button. For my giveaway, I set the win probability at 50%, so let's see how lucky I am today. Giveaways are public in that any user that can access the text channel that the giveaway was created in will also be able to view and click the claim button. But that means you can make the giveaway as public or as private as you like using Discord's integrated server permission system, as Neo demonstrated when it used GasBot for its New Year Moment giveaway. In its current form, users may only attempt to join a giveaway once, although we are experimenting with some other options to use in the future. There is also a /giveaway close command, which can be used by a giveaway's creator to terminate an active event early. In most cases, giveaways will close automatically once all winners have been rewarded, but in some cases there may not be enough participants to trigger all successful claims. This is the intended use for giveaway close, alongside being an escape hatch in case some error is made, like putting too many tokens into a giveaway or something, but we'll monitor it to make sure that it's not being abused. So since I won my giveaway earlier, the pool has already closed itself, so I don't need to use that now. To learn more about GasBot and invite it into your own Discord server, visit ndap.org/gasbot. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.